The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Awesome lakefront 3-bedroom/2-bath condo at Seascape Point Condominiums in Osage Beach. Newer steel and concrete building, with an elevator for easy access, and cove protection with main channel views. You'll love the floor plan of this unit as it has 2 lakefront bedrooms, which you don't find often. Upgraded kitchen with island, stainless steel appliances and granite. Awesome master bathroom shower, granite dual vanities. The deck is screened in and tiled. No stairs to the pool or docks. Furniture, per inventory list, a 16 by 40 boat slip and 2 PWC slips are also included. Seascape Point has a wonderful location close to golf, dining, a hospital, and great shopping. The parking lot is large, so there's always room for family and friends. Enjoy the waterfront pool and spa. Come see it today before it's gone.